Hey, and welcome to Unlearned, where we look at the lessons we learned growing up and question whether we should have learned the norm. My name's Mark, and behind the camera is Mr. Dekland. How are you, sir?
Great, sir.
So today we're talking about it's what's inside that counts.
My friend.
My friend. It's not the peel, it's the nana. You get that reference? Let us know where. Okay, so we're going to just discuss the problem with it's what's inside that counts. Because it sounds good, does it not?
Just a casual discussion, alright? Casual.
Yeah.
C-A-S-U-A-L. Casual.
So don't hate us. No hate mail, please. We're not saying that it's only okay for we're not saying it's what's on the outside that counts. Are we, Declan?
No.
Because it's a nice statement.
It's like a 50-50 of outside and inside, if not a 60-40.
You know what I reckon it is?
What?
I reckon it's 100.
100. Let's go with that.
I reckon that's what it is.
I would agree with that.
I would say, look, let's just bring it into the context that we all know this normally gets used in. Girlfriend, boyfriend thing. I've met some lovely people. But I don't really want to hold their hand if they're really lovely and I have no physical attraction to them. That's like, it's not 100-100. That's like a 0-100. Or 0-80.
If you honestly can look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am dating her because purely what's in the inside, you're lying to yourself.
You're lying to everyone. You're a poo face. And those people that go around saying it's what's inside that counts, you make the rest of us feel horrible because we don't want to commit to someone that we don't find attractive. The truth is, it's both. You have to put attractive on it. Look,
It's an even split.
do you want to hear what I heard? At church?
Yeah.
Was it church?
Yeah.
I went to church once.
Fire away.
This one time I went to church.
One time.
And the preacher got up.
Just once.
I don't know. Sometimes I go. The preacher got up, right? And he was standing there and he goes, God looks at the heart.
I would agree with that statement.
But he's the only one that does.
Correct.
That laugh sounded fake. So to sum it all up, it's got to be both. It's what's inside that counts, and it's what's outside that counts. Whatever counts to you, that's what counts. And don't feel bad if something's important to you and it's not important to other people, because otherwise you're just going to be miserable. Dancing monkeys.
Haven't you got some real important business to attend to? Someplace else?
1 plus 1 is 2. So sum. The big thing is, why are we so flat?
Nothing.
We're flat today.
No, we're not.
We're flat. We're flat like my bum.
Yeah.
You know why my bum's flat though?
The reason why.
My bum is so flat because Declan works my bum. Declan's been working my bum for years, to the point where now it's not even flat, it actually goes in. He's worked my bum off.
I've done nothing
inside.
with Mark's bum. It wasn't. It was honestly, you should tell it again and I won't laugh this time.
No, I'm going to have to use it.
Well,
But people are going to be like, he just gave him a fake laugh.
Well then say it again.
It's a freebie.
I don't want people to think I'm a fake laugh and off in this joint.
It's okay, it's fine. Are you happy with that now?
No!
What do you mean?
Well I didn't fake laugh.
No, but I mean okay, so should we sum it up now? Do you feel like that's got enough material?
Yeah, sum it.